Hello everybody, today we can see about Mindray Phosphorus kit. On the top angle we can see the brand name Mindray, then product name Phosphorus kit for phosphomolybdate method. Here we can see the short form of this kit P. This is the overall view of this top kit. Now we can see the front angle. The front angle we can see the product name Phosphorus kit for phosphomolybdate method. Short form of this kit is P. Here we can see the reference number of this kit P0102. This kit contains one reagent 4 into 40 ml. Here you can see the lot number, then expiry date. This kit contains one instruction manual. This is C certificate IVD product. This kit, we should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using the ice pack. In the bottom we can see the manufacturing details of this kit. This is overall view of this kit. Now I am going to see the other angles. In this angle we can see the blank space. On the back side, top we can see for in vitro diagnostic use. On the other side, bottom we can see the brand name, then manufacturing details. This is the overall view of this product. I am going for summary. Today we can see the Mindray Phosphorus kit for phosphomolybdate method. This kit contains one reagent 4 into 40 ml. Thank you.